Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. When I drink a cold beverage, I want it to stay cold. And that's why I love these tumblers from Amazing Abbey. These are double wall insulated, which keeps my ice from melting quickly. To show you how well they work, I actually did a test. I put the same amount of ice cubes and the water into the tumbler versus a regular drinking glass. After just 20 minutes in the regular glass, the ice started melting. Here's a shot after an hour, and here's another shot after 2 hours. You can see there's virtually no ice left in the drinking glass, but there's still ice in the insulated tumbler. Another perk, these do not sweat, which means you don't have to worry about coasters and you don't have to worry about rings on your table. Having young kids, this is a huge bonus for us. They're dishwasher safe if you place them in the top rack. Another thing I like that I didn't really think about until I started using them, but they have lines on them. This helps me to see how much liquid is in each cup. We often will split soda between our two boys, and now they're not fighting over which glass has the most soda because I can be more accurate in my measuring. These are really a great quality and functional. I find that it's the first drinking glass our family goes for. And that's our point of view.